Hello, this is Judy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am working on making some Christmas tags. These would be great for Christmas gifts, of course, but also for craft fairs as a gift to give an assortment to someone who could use them, right? So that's what I'm going to do. And I use these from scrapbook paper and mostly from cards that I've received in the past. Now, I have horses and I get samples of cards from different companies, in case I want to buy them, and I have in the past. But I save them and use those for making cards or to make tags. So this is just an example of some of the cards, and here's some backgrounds of paper that I made experimenting, and I also cut things out to make on the cards, different pieces saved from cards. That's a cute one of the little dogs. This I could make 2 tags out of that one, but you get the idea, okay? So these are all cut down so I can make tags from them. And this is the result of the tags. So if it has writing or printing on the back of the tag, I will cover it with a piece of plain cardstock. And this one, you can center it and use different size tags. These are the tag thin cuts that I'm using for this particular session of tag making. And these are all from close to my heart. May not be available, all of them right now, but use any tags that you might have. And I just center, see now that one, the angel has peach, so I use the peach for the background. But yeah, you can use any tags that you have, any cardstock. Now this was a 3-piece card with 3 different horses with the hoe on their tail, so it was a ho ho ho. Well, I just cut it into one. So you can center it on the card, because a lot of these cards were big and had multiple pictures on them, and then you can also center it around the words. And this was a huge card with a big tree. I just used the portion that fit on the tag, but it makes it so easy. And there's one of those horses with the hoe, and another Santa. And then this was a small one I used. And now this has writing on the back, so I've got to cover it with a smaller tag. And that was just a square stitched frame. Now this is a 6x6 piece of paper that was folded up and made into a reindeer. And it's got a pocket here to put something in, candy or gift tag. This one I made front and back, and I'm not going to do that because you can see the ink doesn't print well on the slick surfaces. I could have covered it up with something, but I'll just use that one myself. This one's cute. I embellished it with some glitter glue, the stickles. This one didn't need any embellishing, and just the stamp on the back. And this twine I picked up at Walmart. It was 3 rolls, black, brown, and red for like $2. So it made all the strings for my tags. And there's another one, and that was with the silver. This was a little pocket I made, and I cut out the snowman and the penguins and put one there, and that's a gift card holder. So you get the idea of what I'm doing, and these are so nice. I was looking at the store for some. Here's one that I actually cut the ornament and branch out, and then I put gold around the outside. But I was looking at the store at the tags they have there, and it's like 16 tags for $2 or $3. And, they weren't all that fabulous, right? So I said, geez, I could make some a lot easier. So I've been doing this for several years, but this year I really sat down and tried to go through my pile. This one was cut out. This whole section is cut out and layered onto the red tag. I love how this came out with the poinsettia representation. It's really not a poinsettia because they don't look like that, but whatever. And I love this one with just the wreath on the fence. And here's one with a Laurel Birch with the cats. And they're just so nice. And here I centered the words. And this was a Christmas card, and because it had the pink, I was able to use pink on the back. And this one, I just put the glitter on the snowman. So you can make them as heavily embellished, add sequins or whatever to really spruce them up. Now this one had a tear in the front. A little piece of paper had pulled away for whatever reason, so I just put a word tag on there. And this was the tree, and I just put glitter on the purple. And these are ones that I haven't done yet, so I'll sit down and do one and show you what I do. It's so easy. But look at all I have. So I can give these as some gifts to my family. And, you know, you can package them up in a cute package and put them out for a craft fair. So, and here I put blue on the back because it was writing. So, you know, I just cut out a bunch of cardstock tags and glued them when I needed them. Okay. So let's do this guy, and I am out of my stickles red. I used it almost all up, so I'm going to use liquid pearls, and this is a brand new bottle, and I know that the newer ones come out so smooth and easy. I used to get so frustrated with the liquid pearls because they would, you know, bubble out, and just didn't like how they looked. So I never used them. Well, when Close to My Heart started carrying these, I tried them, you know, because I want to be able to give my good opinion, my honest opinion on what I think of them. And I found that newer ones that are, you know, right from the company, they are so nice. So if you have old bottles and you don't like them because they don't work well, throw them away and get some new ones. They're only like $3 a bottle, and it makes your life so much easier. Okay, so the red is done, and now I'm going to use this diamond, and let's see, I think I'm going to have to tap it to get it to the bottom. And this guy has a lot of the fur trim, so I can really gussy him up with a lot of stickles. And I could outline it, but with the clear diamond, I love to just swirl it around. And once it dries, it makes a big difference. And be careful getting them out. This has some big chunks of glitter. So I'm going to tap it down and see if I can get it started again. I use a needle to press it in there. Let's see if we can get it going again now. There it goes. Yeah, the glitter pieces sometimes are so big that they will plug it up in there. I got some of the red in there. It's all right. I'm just going to go with it. He can have a little red in his fur. And now I got to tap it down. Give it a little squeezies. There we go. Now, if you don't like that, you could get it up with a little spatula and, you know, get rid of it. But I'm not going to worry about it. For a tag, right? It's okay. So I'm going to put this aside to dry. Then I'll put the string on it, and it'll be ready to go. But that's all there is to it. You know, don't throw those old Christmas cards away. Make good use of them. Oh, here's some more I've got to do. I love this one. And this. You know, there are so many and such a great use. I hate to throw them away because they're so pretty and glittery. So when you get those Christmas cards in the mail, don't throw them away. Make good use of them for next year, right? Okay, take care. Have a great day. Quick video, but very productive.